This is Jason Spangler with Wagner Meters, and today I'd like to talk to you about the subject of decorative concrete. One of the things that I find, especially as I travel and have discussions about moisture testing and moisture in concrete in general, especially when I go to, say, World of Concrete and I have the ability to talk to a very wide variety of people like decorative stain and coloring manufacturers and actually people who do decorative concrete. It's very interesting the different takes that you get from these different people. So over the last little bit I've actually been doing some research on the topic, and I've taken down some notes to just tick off because there was actually three main topics that seem to keep coming up consistently. Those three topics were high water to cement ratio in the concrete, lack of curing of the concrete slab, and high moisture content in that slab. So when we look at the high water to cement ratio, as the cement or the concrete is hydrating, it actually forms a more porous top or surface on that concrete. So when you're applying the stains, even the chemical ones, they'll actually refract more light. What that results in is it results in weaker coloration, and with that you have a weaker wear surface, traffic patterns can develop, and the chemical stains can actually, even with those, remove the color. The lack of curing, actually it resembles a lot like the high water to cement ratio, but what you end up with is the unhydrated cement doesn't develop the calcium hydroxide. And so there's less calcium hydroxide for those stains and those colors to be able to react with. And so when you look at that, the colors and the stains appear to be less intense, and you can have dusting and actually have traffic wearing patterns. And then we get down to the one point that's really near and dear to my heart. That's the high moisture content. Even with stains, there are issues. When you look at the chemical stains, they react much differently in high RH. If you don't have a good permeability or a good perm rating on the stain, you can end up with it peeling, blemishing, turning cloudy white, or even blistering. I've definitely heard of situations like that. So I just thought I'd share some of those points, those 3 points that I came up with. This is Jason Spangler, Wagner Meters, signing off.